Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can find digital code on Amazon. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for Amazon. And you need to download and install Amazon application. Then you simply need to click on open and log in your account. Then you simply need to click on your account here. So once you are here, you simply need to click on your account. Here you need to click on your orders. Then you simply need to click on filter and click on digital orders, and here you can see filter by order date. So you can select last 30 days, last 3 months, this year, last year, and the so on where when you create account. So I'm going to select last 30 days, and then you simply need to click on apply, and you can see your last 30-day orders here. And so this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.